Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to open a Barclays bank account online. Step 1. Go to the official Barclays website and click Open an account. Step 2. Choose the type of account that you want, such as current, savings, or joint account. Step 3. Click Apply online and begin filling out the form. Step 4. Enter your personal information including name, address, contact, and ID. Step 5. Upload proof of ID and address. Step 6. Review your application and agree to the terms. Step 7. Submit the form and wait for confirmation via email or SMS. Once approved, your new Barclays account details will be emailed to you. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.